How to log in to Sweat Wallet account. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you need to get yourself your Sweat Wallet application that is available for your Play Store and App Store. If you have not got it yet, open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Sweat Wallet. Tap on Install, then tap on the Open button. In order to log in, you have three of the options. If you select on Create Sweetcoin account, you have to open up your Sweetcoin account using the Sweetcoin application. If not, tap on Activate Email Login. In that case, you need to find the email address and press on the right button, then come back to Wallet. So yes, you need to log in into your Sweat wallet using your Sweat coin. Use the same email address that you used to log in to both of your Sweat coin and Sweat wallet. If you are new to your Sweat coin or Sweat wallet, you can start the sign up procedure. You can either tap on Login with secret phrase as well, in which you can enter the 12 words which was given to you. Right after it, you can tap on the login button to log in into your account. That wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.